always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
The garlic will protect you.
The humble little garlic is going to be used today in this episode of garlic bread. Yes, I'm keeping it in theme with the previous 2 bread recipes that I've made. So if you're interested to see how I make some keto garlic bread, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 3 egg whites, 1 cup of water, 1 1/4 cups of coconut flour, and apple cider vinegar.
Everything we had, ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good, feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of time.
Now all we do is wait. We've got the bread in the oven, the garlic butter in the fridge, and in 50 minutes time I'll be able to put the 2 together and show you what the garlic bread looks like in the end. So please stay tuned. Well, the bread is out of the oven and they are crispy, they are melted, and I just want to see if there's a crunch test. Now you can close it up if you want to, or just simply eat it on its own. Like always, I'm going to do a test taste. Why wouldn't you want to eat this? It's just absolutely delicious. It's got that umami taste about it. Low carb, sugar free, great alternative to your regular garlic bread as a side dish, as an appetizer, or simply as an entree before you start your meal. I think this is a great alternative if you are following the keto diet. So on that note, everybody, if you enjoyed watching me make this keto garlic bread on Super Bowl final, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and click that notification bell. By the time I upload this video onto YouTube, I hope that the Patriots have won. So Tom Brady, he's going for your 6th, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now.